Oh my, oh, I like this. This is very comfortable. This is probably the most comfortable gaming chair I've had that I own. Okay, I can feel a thumbnail coming on here. Oh no! Today's video is going to be about gaming chairs, most specifically this gaming chair that I'm sitting on right now. I was very, very lucky enough that GTRacing sent it to me for review. Now, they insisted that I did an unboxing video and a put together video, which takes about half an hour to do, not the video, but the actual putting together. Anyway, I've put that towards the end of the video because I know a lot of people find that tedious and boring. So if you want to know what it's like unboxed and put together, head towards the end of the video. In the meantime, this is when I'm going to show you the main review, and spoiler alert, I actually love this chair. And what you're going to see is my reaction when I first sit on the chair, and it's absolutely genuine because, yeah, I love it. I don't care if I got it for free or not, or whether I paid for it. I'd be very, very happy with it. So anyway, let's crack on with the review anyway, and I'll maybe see you at the end of the video, or maybe not. Okay, moment of truth. Oh yeah. Okay. Tell you what. This is very comfortable. Where's my wee diggity-doo? This is very comfortable. I like this one. Alright, okay, I'm not just saying that because it's free. I know you'll think that. But yeah, this is very comfortable. Okay, dare I put this out? I don't really want to, but I'm going to. Okay. I don't think this is going to. I just don't trust. Okay, this is a bit ginger, but it does work actually. Sure, breathe in, breathe in. I feel as if it's not very. I don't feel as if it could take much weight, but I'm a large gentleman, and it seems to be working fine. This is very comfortable. I'm very surprised at that, because I didn't think I would want the wee recliner bit. This is really comfortable. It's really cool. I like this. Right, we've got extra bits here, and the reason why I haven't put them on is because I don't actually like the lumbar support. I've never actually felt that it does much for me, but in the interest of fairness, okay, so this goes up. Okay, so you move this bit down here at the back to get the lumbar support. Okay. I've never liked the lumbar support. I just think it gets in the way of my big back. Okay. Right, okay, the lumbar support is there. I know why it's there. I personally don't like it, and it gives me a sore back, so I'm taking it off. But there we go. I will not be using that. Right, functions. These just go up and down. The armrests just go up and down. Like so. As you can see, it goes all the way back to that. And we've also got, okay, do that. Okay, this could be better. It's not something I completely care for anyway. So, but there we go. That is it, the full chair. Okay, I can feel a thumbnail coming on here. Oh no! Yeah. Am I totally in there? Yeah, I like this. It's really cool. Right, you push this out and it goes along. You put it all the way out like that, push it back in. I don't know what that bit's for, but it must be for something. I will figure it out. Okay, but personally, I don't like this here. So it just gives me a sore back. But I've always felt that way with the lumbar supports. Every chair that I've got. Oh my, oh, I like this. This is very comfortable. This is probably the most comfortable gaming chair I've had that I own. I've got one for my kid. I've also got another one that I bought from Curry's that my wife is now using for our gaming, for our work, I should say, if you're gaming in the brain. But yeah, pretty cool. It takes about half an hour to install. It's really cool. I really like this. Thank you very much, GTRacing. Really appreciate it. This one is a recommend, and I really mean that. So hopefully it's going to last. But I've got no reason to believe why it won't. As I said, I've owned a few in the past, and they're all going strong, and this doesn't look any different. This is very comfortable. So there we go. GTRacing Chair. I'll put all the links in the description. Like, subscribe and all that jazz if you like it. I just really appreciate that you're watching this video, and hopefully you'll watch others. Really cool. Like it. See ya. He's a bit of a strange dude, isn't he? Right, just to let you know, all the links will be in the description, and now it is the time for that lengthy unboxing and putting together video. I've pretty much unedited it because it was so long. I just thought, no one really watches it. Let's just put it in there for a laugh. And I've also put a little Easter egg in there just to prove that nobody is actually going to watch it all the way through. Prove me wrong, people. Prove me wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Okay. Attention, do not use knives. Oops. Okay. We've got the base here. Made of plastic. It's fine. We've got lots of different. Right, okay. Just gonna unplug. I'm just gonna unbox everything so we know exactly what we've got. All the parts are all there. These come in quite a handy little box. Right. This is the main unit. And I like that. This looks pretty cool. It's decent quality. Oh, sorry, the mic. Looks decent quality. Made of kind of synthetic leather with the GT player at the top. Yeah, definitely got a wee footrest at the bottom here. Right, instructions. Assembly instructions. It's pretty good actually. Not bad, not bad at all. So far so good. Align F and M with the seat, holes of the seat, then tighten the screws. Right. Do not tighten screws completely until the screws are fixed in the correct position. Okay. Now you do get an Allen key with it, but when in doubt, it's always best to have a power tool. Right. Okay. If anyone has actually made it this far into the video, which I don't think anyone will, I want you to put GT Player in the comments section. It's just for fun. Oh good, this comes out. Because I think we can put it back on. Right. Right, okay. Which way does this go? Right, the good news is that they've put an R and an L on the arms, which is good. Which is very good. There is a little bit of movement, so if you want them a little bit wider, or not much, but there is a wee bit. I like it snug, I think. We'll find out. So far, I have to be honest, this is probably the easiest one I've ever put together. Gaming chair wise, I've put 3 together now, and I think this is probably the easiest one. Or maybe I'm just getting better at it, I don't know, but... Well, that's it, folks. That, all I have to do is line it up, which I haven't done. It's here. Okay. Yep, it's on. Right, here we go. Now we have got an arm, a leg thing, which I will duly place in, but it's not something... Alexa, stop! What is all that about? I think that's upside down. Right, that's it now. Okay, moment of truth. Oh yeah.